Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all once again to my channel in English. This is about the upcoming 2022 New Year predictions. Right from the first zodiac sign Aries to Pisces, we'll be seeing the predictions for this 2022, a separate videos for each and every zodiac sign. Unlike the previous years, let us hope this 2022 brings you all good fortune, prosperity, happiness, everything. I wish you all a very happy 2022 ahead. Now we will see the planetary positions during the beginning of the 2022 as well as the end of 2022. If you are new to this channel, keep the channel subscribed so that you can get my updates instantly. Also share my videos to your friends and groups. This year 2022, we will be seeing two major transit. One is Rahu Ketu, which is on 12th of April 2022, where Rahu moves from Taurus to Aries. As you all know, Rahu Ketu moves in a backward direction, that is anti-clockwise. So, from 12th onwards till the end of the year, Rahu will be in the Aries, that is the first zodiac sign. So if you consider the 12 months of 2022, the major period of Rahu is based on Aries rather than from Taurus. So in Taurus we will be having the effect of Rahu just for 3 months. Also there will be Jupiter transit. We have already seen about the Jupiter transit recently on November 20th. Now again Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces on 13th of April 2022. And stays there for long till this year. So these two major transit which will definitely have a major impact. So Jupiter also in a major portion it will be there on the Pisces, and in Aquarius it will be just for 3 months and 12 days like Rahu Ketu. Considering the effect of Rahu on Taurus and Ketu on Scorpio, again considering the Jupiter's position at the Aquarius, which is very short time of 3 months and 12 days, and the next transit where Rahu moves to Taurus to Aries and be there for almost 8 months, and Ketu moves from Scorpio to Libra and it will be there for almost the similar 8 months. Jupiter again moves to Pisces and be there for 8 months. So considering all these effects, we will be seeing the predictions for each and every zodiac sign. Now, on the 1st of January 2022, if you see the planetary position, Moon is there on the Jyeshtha star of Mercury. So you can see Ketu along with Moon and Mars on Scorpio. On Sagittarius you can see Sun along with Venus, and at Capricorn Saturn as a ruler along with Mercury, and Jupiter is there at the Aquarius and Rahu is there at Taurus. This is the position of the planets during the year 1st of January 2022. And you see on 31st of December 2022, the position, as you see, Jupiter moves from Aquarius to Pisces, and you can see Moon is along with Rahu at Aries, Mars is there at Taurus, and Ketu is there at Libra. And in Sagittarius you can see Sun and Mercury, and in Capricorn Venus is there along with Saturn. So during that period it is Ashwini star, that is star of Ketu. So this is a position at the end of the year. On the beginning of the year, where Moon is seated at the Mercury star and Mercury is along with Saturn, and Saturn being a ruler there, and Saturn is associated with the Mercury, a standalone planet. It gives positive effects to the Saturn. So it gives Saturn a much powerful positive energy. So you can see this year starts in a very positive note. Same way, the end of the year, Venus makes Saturn more positive. So the effects we can see from Saturn during the beginning and the end of the year, Saturn becomes very calm and it is more functionally positive. We can see a lot of changes during this year. Good things can happen. Many job opportunities and Saturn being the ruler at the 10th house and a very positive note. Rahu being functionally strong at Aries, which is the house of Mars. This year we can expect a lot of changes in the land reforms. Many land reforms will get introduced and a lot of land related problems may creep up, especially due to the landsliding problem, earthquakes. Major natural calamities are based on the land. The land price might increase, so we can expect a slight inclination in the price of land, and there are many regulations also. You can see on prices, Jupiter is there, so there are opportunity from foreign countries, and our country can get good revenue out of the trade. As Saturn aspects the Jupiter at Pisces, in certain places there may be a symptom of war. So you can see there may be some disturbances between certain countries which may lead to a small civil war or somewhere. Jupiter aspecting 4th, 6th and 8th houses as per the Kalapurusha Tattva. So the major places which becomes highly strong, we can expect a good investments return during this period. Share market may rise up. There will be good amount of inflow of money. Foreign investments might increase, and it aspects the 6th house. Our country can grow better, win out of certain challenges and lead in certain places. Enmities will get decreased during this time. Lot of foreign investments can happen during this time. Lot of good things can also happen. Many job opportunities help the people unemployed to get employment. There are good employment opportunities. Good regulations in the agriculture side. So some of the positive note which we can expect in 2022. Now let us see for each and every zodiac sign the impact of the 2022 based on the planets. Scorpio, the 8th zodiac sign. Those who belong to the Scorpio zodiac sign, they are really lucky for this 2022. As this new year 2022 seems to be really favorable for Scorpio. As you can see in the 3rd house, Saturn is really strong, but since it is 3rd house, it will not do much harm to them. So their hard work can improve, but at the same time as Saturn is functionally a malefic planet and very strong at the 3rd house. So a lot of period they may be very much lazy, they don't put their efforts. There may not be good support from their younger brothers or sisters. Some of the problems may creep up. But it's not a big thing, but when you see the Jupiter moves to the 4th and 5th house seems to be really favorable for them. As Jupiter is responsible for the 2nd and 5th house, is very strong in 4th initially for 3 months and moves to the 5th house and be a ruler there. So their communication strength will improve during this period. Also the Scorpio is being aspected by Jupiter, so there will be a lot of health improvements. So this particular period, those who have been suffering from long-term diseases, they may get rid out of all these problems. So they have a very brisk life during this particular period. This year it seems to be highly active for them. As Scorpio itself indicates the house of Mars, as Mars indicates the strength and the speedy planet, so they will work with enthusiasm and more speed, and whatever the efforts that they put in, they can succeed in their life. 2nd house is really good, so the communication will, they may take their victory out of their communication. So those who are keeping the work as communication as a base, they can survive a lot. They can get a lot of good benefits out of their communication. The 5th and 6th houses are really seems to be positive places for them, as Jupiter is very strong in 5th house and Rahu seems to be really favorable on the 6th house. So a lot of support from the children. They may get good support from the children. They will study well. They can enter into sports and they can achieve a lot of things. Some of them may enter into the fine arts and they can keep up their name. Some of them can get a good name in their film industry or any other industries. Their name and fame can establish and people will come to know about them. Rahu will certainly give them a lot of opportunities. Some of them may take foreign chances. They go to different countries, out of which they can earn a lot. Those who are going for abroad for business purposes, they can establish their business in different places and their company share may grow. Those who are working in a company, they may get opportunities to work in different countries, different places, out of which their experience will improve and they will get the seniority portion and they may get good increments and bonuses. So some of the positive things can happen, as the 11th and 12th house seems to be highly positive for them. This particular year, some of them may get promoted to senior level, they get good increments and incentives. Some of them associated with a government job, they can get a fruitful results during this period. Those who are in political line, especially who are leaders, they will get good name and fame during this time. Their strength will improve, the support from the public will improve for them. Those who are doctors, engineers and lawyers, those who are working in military force, those who are working in police department, some of them may get elevated to different levels. They will get opportunities to the senior level and their salary level will also increase and their lifestyle will also change. So some of the positivity can happen for them. The ninth house is being affected partially as Saturn aspecting that house. So there may be some problems with the father side family. There may be some conflict between the father and the son. Those who are not married for very long and looking for alliances, this right time for them, they can get a good alliances and can settle down in their life. Those who are separated, they can get united during this time. Those who are having their own business, the business can improve a lot this particular year. They can invest some money in different places, they can establish different organizations, they can enter into different fields. Some of them can do multiple jobs. Those who are doing a business in particular area, they can expand their business in different areas and they can succeed a lot during this particular period. Fourth house is also seems to be really good, and so a lot of investments can give them positive results. Some of them can purchase their own house, some of them can purchase their land, some of them can buy gold, jewelries, ornaments, silver, diamond like that, and they can build good money also. Those who are interested in share market, they can get a really good gain during this year. By investing in share market and mutual fund or shares, they can purchase and sell in a very good price and out of which they can earn a lot. The 10th house is also really positive, so that some of them who are working in a company, they can get promotion. Some of them looking for a job opportunities this particular year, they can get good job opportunities also. Some of them can get government related jobs if their personal horoscope seems to be really strong, and if Sun and Mars are really good, they can try and apply government jobs and they can succeed during this 2022. A lot of positive things can happen during this particular year. You see about the business, those who are doing their own business, especially those who are doing teaching as a personal profession, and those who are lawyers, those who are doing consulting as chartered accountant or cost accountant, but they should not work in a company, but they are doing it as a business, they can earn a lot. And some of them especially doing the sports as a main event, so the PT master, the sports coach, they can get a good name and fame during this particular year. Those who are into drama and cinema, who are artists during this particular period, they can also get name and fame and they can expand their lifestyle during this particular year. Some of them can get many chances, but all depends upon the personal horoscope. If the personal horoscope is really positive, the current position of planets will favor them a lot. But if their personal horoscope is not so supportive, then they may not get so much opportunities. But at the same time, there is no negativity for them, so they'll get a very good break in this particular year. Those who are housewife, this particular year will be very much favorable for them. They can get a lot of things from their partner, so they can get their jewels, they can get their dresses, so they'll be very much happy during this particular period, the housewife who belong to this particular zodiac sign. Some of them who are working in the social media platform, especially those who are in Facebook, Twitter, they can expand their business, they can take this tool as business promotion and their business share may increase. So a lot of positivity can happen. But the negative side is like those who are doing the secondary market, who are like working as a fitters and linemen in a company, they have some struggle in their life. They need to do a lot of hard work to get the strength, they get improvement during this particular period. As you look at the planetary position, the third house seems to be really affected as Saturn is really strong in its house as a ruler and it is functionally a negative planet. Sometimes they may be very much lazy, they don't take interest, they don't show enthusiasm in the work. So this is the negativity in the as in the third house Saturn is really strong. Some of them may not get support from the younger brothers or sisters during this year. Also you can see the ninth house is partially affected as Saturn aspecting that house. Also Jupiter is also aspecting parallelly, so it is not 100% affected. So there may be some conflict between the father and son. There may be some problems with the father side family. Some of the lucky events may not happen. Some of them may slip out certain opportunities. So these are some of the negativity in the ninth house. Yeah, but at the same time you see the fifth house is really strong as the fifth house lord is a ruler there. Some of them may get good support from the children. Children might study well, may enter into different levels in sports, in arts, and they can get name and fame. Rahu is very strong in 6th house and Ketu in 12th house. Some of them get good opportunities to travel different places. Some of them may find a profit from the short trip as well as from long trip journeys. Some of them may go for pilgrimage tours and they can spend their money for visiting different temples, churches or mosques and different places. They'll do a lot of charity during this time, due to which they can spend a lot. Some of them can spend for functions like marriage and other good events. You can see the 11th and 12th house is really strong. Some of them can travel abroad for job and business. Some of them get job opportunities in different foreign countries. Some of them can apply to different countries for studies purposes. Whatever they do in this particular year, they'll get good profit. So whether you take it as a business or it's a workplace, there's a lot of opportunities will be there and their money value will increase. So investments can improve. The investments can yield them good profit. The buying and selling can give them a good positive results. Even those who are in the marriage life, who want to get married, a lot of positivity can happen. The communication strength will give them a lot of confidence and credits during this particular year. So those who are keeping the communication as a base in the work, they can improve a lot. Also you can see the 7th and 8th house are really good. Those who are not married and looking for a married life, this particular year they can get settled down in their life. And those who are waiting for the childbirth for very long, the chances are there to get a good childbirth during this particular year. Those who are not having good job so far, those who are looking for a good job opportunity, this particular year they can get a good break, they can get their dream job also. Those who are working in a company for very long, they can get promoted, they can get a supervisory or senior level positions, out of which they can get good salary and incentives during this time. So for this particular zodiac sign, Scorpio, this 2022 is really favorable. Unlike the previous years where Scorpio was struggling for 7.5 years, Saturn and other issues, this particular 2022 onwards seems to be really favoring for them. So we can expect up to 95% positivity during this year 2022.